How you doing, folks? Welcome back. As you can hear, my friends the rainbow lorikeets have come to hang out. Chirp away, my little friends. Say hello. Yeah, there's a lot of them. So today we're going to get this thing again, the 4-chamber weed thing that I've taped up with a very high-tech seal. And yeah, we're going to do, how about, leave it a mystery until you see it coming out of the pot. So I'll just quickly load this thing up. Also got some tension on it, so it should spin around. That should be a lot of fun, but yeah, let's get this thing loaded. Oh, I should have set up a little bit better, but yeah, we'll get there eventually. You can listen to the lorikeets doing their thing. Birds just be birding. Alright, loading up colour number 1. Colour number 2. Colour number 3. And colour number 4. Alright, we're ready to go. So, let's get myself angled up here. Get ready to pull off this high-tech seal. And we'll let it rip and we'll see what happens. So, here goes nothing. Starting to drip. Wow, that looks really cool. I like it. Let's get you off here, little buddy. I'm just going to have to make a mess for a sec. Cheeky boy. Alright, sit this down here. That drip here. Do your thing, buddy. Do your thing. All right, let's have a look at what we just did. This was interesting. I like it. So this was a test piece done on 2 old canvases, and I really like the result. That looks cool. That looks really cool. Only thing I'm wishing I did was a shallower swing, but you know what? This works. I like it. Looks very cool. I think I'll be doing a lot more of choosing one colour and just using the different shades of it, because I really, really like that effect. Sweet as! I love it when a plan comes together. Have a quick look down here, we've got some of that lovely colour mixing happening. We've got those cool little things on the edge there when it was spinning. Yeah, I like it. I really like it. Just want to say, as always, thank you very much for stopping by and checking out the weirdness. I hope you all like it, and I'll see you all next time.